Stay tuned for this battle of the curl creams. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are battling it out with these two curl creams, doing this wash and go. So I'll show you the process in just a little bit, but let me tell you about these products. So first up, we have the Controlled Chaos Curl Cream, which is said to define, detangle, strengthen, eliminate frizz, add shine, protects from damage caused by heat, and it's for all curly hair types. So I use the Controlled Chaos Curl Cream on this side of my hair. And then on this side, I use the Mane and Tail New Curl Stay Curl Defining Cream, which is said to elongate and give a soft, natural hold. So let's get into exactly what I did to achieve this wash and go. And let's see who I think won the battle. And let me know in the comment section below who you think won this battle of the curl creams. Stay tuned. Okay, so I went ahead and stretched out my hair a bit, and I am loving the voluminous curls that I got from using the Controlled Chaos Curl Cream. Definitely loving these results. I only use this cream for this wash and go. Did it in three sections. Quickest wash and go I've ever done. And these results are amazing. Like, definitely loving the volume on day one with this curl cream. On this side of my hair, I use the Mane and Tail Curl Defining Cream. Also great results. This side is a little bit longer, elongated, a little flatter, more volume on this side. So again, this one is the Mane and Tail side. Absolutely loving this wash and go. Super cute, fluffy, defined. Can't even get my words straight because I'm absolutely blown away by these results. I'm so nervous for just doing this wash and go with no leave-in, no gel, just these curl creams, and I'm loving it. So let me know which side you prefer. So we got Controlled Chaos on this side, and mane and tail on this side. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite side. If you can see a difference between the sides, definitely recommend both of these curl creams. Amazing, amazing results. As always, thanks so much for watching my video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.